So the picture you can see behind me is of two personalities who have been in the media in the last few days. I'm talking about the PPP's flag bearer, Dr. Papa Asiedu-Dartey, and the chair of the Electoral Commission, Madam Charlotte Osei. So the news is that the Electoral Commission has gone to the Supreme Court to seek a review of last Friday's High Court decision questioning the disqualification of the flag bearer of the Progressive People's Party. The Electoral Commission said it took the decision in the interest of public policy and credibility of the electoral process. And it went on further to say, it actually came in a statement that was signed by the head of communications of the EC, Eric Kofi Jakpasu, and he said that a judgment from the Apex Court would effectively bring finality to the issue once and for all. The Electoral Commission rejected Dr. Indum's nomination, claiming that the number of subscribers to his forms did not meet the requirement of Regulation 7(2)(b) of CI 94, the law regulating the conduct of the 2016 elections. Also, the Commission noted that one of his subscribers endorsed the form with different signatures in both portions of the nomination form, raising questions of the legitimacy of one or both of the signatures. But last Friday, an Accra High Court presided over by Justice Eric Cheba ordered the Commission to give the PPP the chance to correct the anomalies on the nomination form of its flag bearer and subsequently decided whether or not to rope him back onto the race for the 2016 December 7 polls. And my colleague Stephen Anti spoke with the Deputy Communications Director of the Electoral Commission, Yusuf Ayuba, and first asked him why has the Electoral Commission decided to seek review of a case that many thought had been settled. He spoke to him on News at 10 yesterday.
The Commission, had come to this decision. He made it very clear that the Commission will study the ruling as soon as it receives the ruling. So the Commission received the ruling of the High Court, then studied it, and based on the court's decision, the Commission thinks that it wasn't satisfied, so the Commission decided to go to the Supreme Court for review.
I know there being concerns of timing and all and preparations. Looking at the case Dr. Indum took to the court, which he won, are you suggesting that the court erred, or you're suggesting that your Electoral Commission didn't present enough defense, or what? What exactly is your basis for seeking this review?
I think the Commission was of the conclusion that they disagreed with the judgment, and therefore decided to go to the Supreme Court, which is the apex court of the land, for a review of that decision.
But why? There are many who wonder why you didn't go first to the appeals court and you quickly jumped to the Supreme Court.
That's a decision for the lawyers to make. I am a layman, so I wouldn't know the reasons behind, the lawyers deciding to go to the Supreme Court.
And there are those who suggest that the Commission winning quite a number of cases, you are, as you lose the cases, losing your credibility also. What do you say to that?
We disagree with that assertion because it is part of the rule of law. If you disagree with a decision of the court, you are also required, to go, to use the same process for that case to be, reviewed. So the Commission is taking advantage of the court process.
All right, so that story is still unfolding, and the latest on it is that the Supreme Court has set the 2nd of November, which is just tomorrow, to have a hearing of that particular case. So we'll keep an eye on it for you, certainly. Now,